Guilt begins as a pull, a heavy awareness that something you did, said, or failed to do has caused harm or falling short of your values. It feels like pressure in the chest, a knot in the stomach, or a persistent replay of the moment you wish you could change. Guilt is the emotional signal that your actions are out of alignment with your integrity. It moves with reflection and responsibility. Guilt turns your attention inward, urging you to examine what happened and why. It can arise from hurting someone, breaking a promise, crossing a boundary, or acting in a way that contradicts who you want to be. Guilt is the inner voice that says, "You can do better than this." The light side of guilt is accountability. It helps you repair, apologize, and realign with your values. In its light, guilt becomes growth, a reminder that you care about the impact of your actions and want to act with integrity. The shadow side of guilt appears when accountability becomes self-punishment. When you replay the moment endlessly, refuse to forgive yourself, or take responsibility for things that were never yours to carry. When guilt turns into shame, martyrdom, or emotional paralysis. In its shadow, guilt becomes burden, a weight that keeps you stuck instead of helping you repair. Beneath both light and shadow, guilt is trying to protect your need for integrity, your desire for connection, and your fear of causing harm. Guilt rises because something in you values the relationship, with others, with yourself, or with your principles. To work with guilt, begin by separating responsibility from self-attack. Ask what part of the situation is truly yours and what isn't. Make amends where needed. Learn what the moment is teaching you. When you meet guilt with honesty instead of punishment, it becomes a path to repair and maturity. Guilt is not here to condemn you. It is here to guide you back to alignment. When you honor both its light and its shadow, you learn how to transform guilt into clarity, responsibility, and renewed integrity.